You are looking at completely unedited footage shot in the dead of night. The noise reduction capability of this DJI Osmo Action 5 Pro is truly absurd. Stop right there and do not buy the DJI Osmo Action 5 Pro until you watch this extreme test. If you are a backpacker or a motovlogger, you already know the bitter feeling of recording a sunset only to find the footage ruined by grain and noise. But does this 1-inch sensor really have enough power to completely overthrow the competition in every single aspect? In this video, we are going to push it to its absolute limits. We will test its low-light performance, its stabilization at extremely high speeds, and the ultimate overheating stress test. Let us talk about the monster in the dark. For years, action cameras have struggled the moment the sun goes down. You normally get muddy footage that is completely unusable for your videos. DJI tackled this by putting a massive 1-inch sensor inside the Action 5 Pro. A larger sensor simply means it captures significantly more light. It literally saves your night riding footage without requiring any complicated editing software or color grading. You just point, shoot, and the footage comes out incredibly crisp. I took this out on a night ride through the city, and the dynamic range blew my mind. The highlights from the streetlights were perfectly controlled, and the shadows retained so much clear detail. This is not just a minor upgrade. This is a massive leap forward for anyone who films in challenging lighting conditions. You no longer have to pack up your gear just because it is getting dark. The Action 5 Pro turns night into day, and it does it completely automatically. Now, let us talk about the mounting system. If you have ever missed a perfect shot because you were busy twisting a rusty screw, you will understand why this matters. The magnetic quick-release ecosystem on the DJI Osmo Action 5 Pro is an absolute game-changer. It takes exactly 1 second to snap this camera from your helmet mount straight onto your motorcycle handlebars. You can do it with one hand even while wearing thick riding gloves. This level of convenience is exactly what makes me never want to go back to traditional screw mounts again. By the way, many of you have messaged me asking where to buy authentic DJI gear to avoid gray market products with absolutely no warranty. I always prioritize ordering directly from the official DJI website or their official Amazon store for absolute peace of mind. I have placed the official link right in the first line of the description below if you want to check the current best price. If you use my link, it helps support the channel at no extra cost to you, which allows me to keep making these extreme tests. Alright, moving on to the next test. We need to address the elephant in the room. Does the DJI Osmo Action 5 Pro overheat? This is the bleeding neck pain for every single action camera user. You're in the middle of an epic ride, the sun is beaming down, and suddenly your camera shuts off. So, I ran a continuous 4K recording test at 120 frames per second under direct sunlight. Yes, the camera body gets warm. It gets noticeably warm to the touch. But here is the surprising part. It did not shut down until the battery was completely drained. And speaking of the battery, the new Extreme battery gives you incredible runtimes even in freezing cold or scorching hot environments. You get over 2 hours of continuous recording on a single charge. That means fewer battery swaps and more time actually capturing your journey. But what good is a long battery life if your footage makes people dizzy? Let us talk about Horizon Steady. I took this camera on a twisty mountain pass, leaning the bike deep into the corners. Normally, this would result in a chaotic, shaky video. But with Horizon Steady activated, the horizon line stays perfectly locked and level. No matter how much you tilt the camera, this feature alone is worth every single penny. It transforms incredibly shaky, chaotic rides into smooth, cinematic masterpieces. It feels like you have a professional gimbal operator riding right next to you. If you are a motovlogger and you are tired of unusable, shaky and dark footage, this 1-inch sensor and stabilization combo is your ultimate key. If you are ready to massively upgrade your video production quality, click the official link I have pinned in the top comment. Buying through that specific link ensures you get genuine stock and full support with the best deals currently available. So, let us close the loop on the big question we asked at the beginning. Did the DJI Osmo Action 5 Pro completely destroy its biggest rival? The truth is, it depends entirely on your specific needs. If you absolutely need the best low-light performance on the market and the fastest magnetic mounting system, the Action 5 Pro is undeniably your best choice. It is a pocket-sized production powerhouse. However, if you only shoot in bright daylight and already own a recent model, the differences might be less dramatic for you. But for my workflow, the Action 5 Pro is the new absolute king of the action camera world. Now, getting the camera is only the first step. If you do not adjust the internal settings correctly, you will end up wasting storage space and ruining your image quality. To get the absolute sharpest cinematic footage out of this camera, click on the video currently showing on your screen. I will walk you through my exact custom settings from A to Z. See you in that video.